Still got chickens flying over. Get them some scratch. Then they'll all run in there. Yeah, come on. These girls want in now. They know what's coming. All right, you girls ready to go in now? Get the gate. All right, go on in. Yesterday we had a rooster in the nest box. Connor noticed yesterday that he's limping. His right foot, he's limping. We'll get some eggs real quick. Hey girl. I just stick them in my pockets. Hope I don't break them. Here. This was 8 eggs. 10, 12. It's like an Easter egg hunt every day. There's one. Okay, and she's probably on some. And I don't see a goose egg anywhere. They don't lay as much as chickens. I was surprised to get them in the winter at all. It's kind of odd, actually. Where's my red rooster? My bully. Look how my bully. Where's my red rooster? Maybe he's under the coop. I'm scared to bend over with eggs in my pockets. Oh, yeah, I just broke one. Okay, we'll do this later. Okay, Brian's coming across the pond. We got the big grate on. We're getting ready to cook our what are they called? Hobo dinners.
Oh, the moonlight is just fine, I think.
Yeah, it's bright. It's reflecting on the pond.
Isn't it a full moon or something?
It's pretty. We got hobo dinners tonight, you guys. We got hamburger patties with onions, carrots, potatoes. And then I seasoned it with salt, pepper, garlic, onion, and parsley. We're taste testing, making sure it's all done.
It's all done?
That one's ready.
36 degrees right now, y'all. It's a bit nippy. The backsides of us are nippy.
Oh, you had to remind me.
He's hungry. He just got home from work. Our first time having s'mores on the island. I don't know if you can see or not, but that's where we had our little cookout last night on the island. We thought we'd do chili dogs tonight. I came to feed the dogs, and if you watch my Instagram feed, you know we've had a hen we named Gabby coming in the doghouse, and look what I found this morning. Half a dozen eggs. Too funny. You ready to come out? All right, let's see if the red rooster's in here. Connor didn't even notice last night when you put him up. Hey, watch out, guys. Oh, he's in the corner over there. I'm gonna have to do something. Oh yeah? Hey. Hey, stop. See, it is. He's picking on my rooster. Oh, bless his heart, he's bloody. All right, we're going to have to fix that today. I'm going to pull this. I got to get all the chickens out so I can tend to them. Bless his heart, he's limping too. All right, buddy. Aw. All right, let's get these chickens fed and get them out of the coop so I can... Hey! No, don't go outside! Oh no! I need to get him! Oh dear. That makes me mad. He's my favorite rooster. Now I gotta try. He's gonna go under the coop. I'm not gonna be able to get him out. I need to make him another bed and a cage. I'll get that ready so he can heal up. Looks like he's just been bullied. How about I forgot to feed these guys? my little guinea hens. So you guys, I need to get my rooster. Now he's underneath the coop. As long as the roosters can't get him, but I'm gonna have to put him up or he's just gonna... Okay, this is where the hen's been sitting on the nest box so much. So my goal today is to find a safe place for this rooster. If I can get him. This is not good. He's been picked on, he's not gonna eat or drink, and he's bloody, so anytime he comes out, they'll pick up. Plus he's limping, and I can't get him because he's under the coop, and I can't get under there. So I think what I'll do is go ahead and make his little bed and get ready. I think I'll put the rooster in here. Let me check. I guess it leaked a little. It's kind of wet in there. Well, I've got a little bit of straw left, like just enough to fit this. And there's a little door so he can go in here at night in the hay or come out here to eat. And that'll give him a chance to heal. Just got a little bit of straw here. I'm hoping he'll come back in like he has been and I can grab him. Nope. Got the string from the hay bale. Alright, so he can get in here and sleep. And then I'll get the water and the feeders for him. Hey, there he is. Oh no! Hey, leave my Roo alone. Got a feather out of him. This is not good, y'all. Put his feet in here. Or this one. Ew, scared me. You don't believe how many critters I find in these things. But this one was just nasty water, so we're good. I guess this will work for water. Gosh, there's water in it too. See, it leaks through that window up there. Alright, I'm gonna clean these up, get them situated for the rooster, and hopefully I can catch them. I was hoping the rooster would be in here. Darn it. You guys haven't eaten your breakfast. What's up with that? Huh, Sergeant Carter? What's up with that? Hey, hey. Hey, stop chewing on that. No, 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 no. 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 Came out looking for the rooster again. Don't see him out here. Chickens just laid an egg, it sounds like. Oh no, my rooster's under the coop still. Ugh. Hey ladies, I'll come back. You're busy. Okay, I don't know what to do. I might have to wait till tonight before he comes out. Poor guy. Okay, so wash the feeder. It's ready. I have the water. A hen jumped out of here. That's for the rooster. I have to close it. I bet she laid an egg in here too. Let's find out. Oh my goodness. Oh, these girls. I gotta clip their wings so they quit laying eggs where they're not supposed to. Yeah. There's my injured Roo in there. Gotta get him and stick him in the thing. Rain or shine, gotta take care of the animals. I have decided that's too small for the rooster, so I'm gonna go stick him in the other coop in a bit. Good morning, guys. Dark this morning, isn't it? Can't even see you hardly. Here they go. Eat over here out of the rain. I will just move these for now, since he's limping still. You see the black on his comb, I think that's frostbite. Some chickens have smaller combs. They're not as susceptible. Get you over here in your new house. Got your own little place in there now. Okay. I'm gonna have to fill it up. The chicken spilled it yesterday. Alright, got his food and water. Got your food, buddy. I don't know about him. Let's put his water down here. Just gonna get the shavings all wet. You got your own little place. Little Mr. Rooster here hasn't eaten, so I'm gonna throw him a little bit of scratch. See if I can get him to eat that. I heard Gabby. You can hear her out there. Look what she left us in the doghouse again, nice and warm. Oh, good. He's eating the scratch. That's a good sign. He's eating. Getting ready for a cookout. Ah! Okay. Climbing out's fun.
It is? I feel like you wouldn't like it.
Got chili in the making, y'all. Going around, are you?
Wow, it looks almost done.
Just about done.
You swam in such a bad thing.
Woo, it's nearly gone. They're on their third chili dogs.
Three.
Trash.
Three.